What up, folks? So, as you guys can see, I am updating the Galaxy S23 Plus, updating it to One UI 8.5. It has become ready and available for the Galaxy S23 Plus. And I was actually about to make a video that literally was just asking when was this thing going to get it. And today is the day. So, it is updating right now. As you guys can see, it's like a 400, was it 4,169 megabyte file. So kind of large, but it's downloading, it's installing. I'll have an update video to tell you guys how it performs, if it's good, if it's bad, if it's ugly, all that stuff. That's coming in tomorrow. But yeah, so there are some of the changes. The fresh new look to One UI, Galaxy AI, smarter device controls, conversation history, new portrait filters. You got like all these new changes. So I will go over them in a video. I know this is a very short video, but yeah. Anyways, y'all will get the hookups tomorrow. So let's see, it's almost done downloading, I would say. Very interesting. So yeah, you know what, I'll save like all the stuff for tomorrow's video, so be on the lookout for that. But until then, thanks for checking out this quick video.